So maybe you've been doubting yourself, or maybe it's not trusting yourself, or maybe it's trying to adhere to all of the shoulds and the expectations that you feel around you. Maybe you're sick of not feeling seen or heard. Maybe you're even feeling trapped, afraid to be yourself, maybe even betraying yourself a bit. This may seem like normal day to day, except I know this is not normal if we are truly standing in our own inner wisdom, in our own truth. I don't believe any of that is your truth any more than it's my truth. The only way to find our truth is to resist the normal that we've bought into for so long and move forward toward a new kind of normal that belongs to us, that is aligned with our inner wisdom. That's what this workshop, Resisting Normal to Find Your Truth, is all about. I'm Kim Marie. I am a life and spiritual coach for empowering women on their path to a fulfilling life. I know all too well what it feels like to be disempowered. I spent years seeking authority, seeking empowerment outside of myself, people pleasing, going overboard to try to meet everyone else's expectations, ignoring my own needs, and really feeling lost and completely disconnected from who I am. And then I found that there is a common process that we go through to start feeling more empowered, to start stepping into our own version of normal, a new normal. That's what I want to share with you in this workshop so that you can be more tapped into your own inner wisdom and be stepping forward on that path to empowerment on a daily basis in everything that you do. In this 60-minute play shop, because I plan to make sure that we have a lot of fun, I want to share with you a bit more about my own journey and my own story and how I came to some of these concepts. I want to share 4 keys to holistic empowerment so you can start to feel empowered in all areas of your life. You're going to discover new insights to see what's been holding you back. You're going to be able to have some practical tools to help you step into your own self-empowerment, and you're going to be able to start reconnecting to you, to come home to you. This is going to help you begin to step on a path to your highest potential, to your sense of self-empowerment and your sense of inner wisdom. So be sure to click the link below, and I cannot wait to see you.